In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward voice message on Instagram. So before we are going to get this done, I just want to tell you that there's not really an official way in order for us to get this done. However, there is a workaround that I'm going to show you in order for you to still be able to forward that voice message. Now, what we are going to do is basically head over to the messages. I'm going to tap this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and open this one. So here is the voice message. Now, if I'm going to go ahead and long press this one right here, these are the only options. You have the emojis, you have the reply, delete, and then report. So again, we are going to do a workaround for this one. So what we're going to do is just simply head over and try to screen record this one. So I'm going to do that. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and play this for you guys. So once it's done playing, what you're going to do is just simply stop this one. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and say send it to this particular person right here. I'm going to tap this one here, and then I'm going to choose that same video. So it's going to be this one. I'm going to click the send button just like so, and you can see that that person should be able to hear this particular message here when they play it. So yep, technically that's the only way in order for us to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.